start kicking in any second on your screen now. And there you go. You got IFCI, you got Vodafone, you got Unitech, and you've got Indiabulls Real Estate, which are popping up on my screen. No large mover or shakers, at least in any of the liquid names. At least the screen is not telling me that there is a large move happening in either side of the market right now. IFCI, you want to pick it up 2% higher. Unitech is 5% higher. I don't know why anybody is going to buy Unitech. I mean, it's an NCLT, let's be very clear. And you got BEL, which had a great Wednesday. Today it's also trending up market. In terms of volumes, SGVN, unusual name. None of the Birla names are popping up on my screen. Let's mark actually both of them, Aditya Birla Financials and Aditya Birla Capital. They were the real heroes yesterday, if I may use the word. So all of them are off to actually a flat start with a particular bias, at least on either side. And the breadth, touchwood, is looking better, even though global cues are not really strong and so forth.
Okay, yes indeed, that's a fairly decent breadth. It's a bit skewed in favor of the gaining side, and for now the markets are just about flat as we speak. But let's also take you through some of the other newsmakers then in today's trading session. You've got Q4 updates coming in for Dhanlakshmi Bank. The total deposits on a year-on-year basis have grown about 6.8%. Gold loans as well, that's been healthy. The stock a little bit soft. V2 retail, the SSSG growth has been about 40%. They've also added 10 new stores. Meantime, you've also got a Hindustan Zinc. It's been the highest ever quarterly refined metal production that the company has delivered. Something like a Nalco came out with their FY24 updates as well. A 10% capacity utilization is what Nalco has achieved. And watch out for Gopal Snacks as well with respect to some of their latest updates in the quarter gone by. Meantime, a quick look as to what the outlook is on some of the other stocks. The oil-related companies, crude prices are at a 5-month high. They've surged. What is the impact going to be on some of these OMCs in terms of their overall EBITDA? That as well remains to be seen. You've also got a Jubilant Foodworks in the spotlight. Do remember there was that positive brokerage note as well coming in on a Jubilant Food. The stock is started off a little bit tempered. JSW Energy, 5,000 crore rupee QIP. The floor price discount is about 5%, and that stock is at about 552 as we speak. So those as well are some of the movers and newsmakers in today's trade. But let's get in a take from our chartists. How are they reading into the first trades? And Kunal, breadth marginally skewed in favor of the gaining side. What do you make of the market open, and what's the first trade that you're punching in? A large cap?
I think it's still a fresh, it's still a good market breadth overall when we look at it, and the Nifty and the Bank Nifty still range bound relatively as compared to the last 2 days and 3 days of outperformance. Now, in terms of opening trade, the large cap stock is something which looks attractive. Maruti, I think the stock has been trading with a very strong positive bias over the last 1 to 2 weeks. A minor correction in the last 2 days, a 200-point correction for the stock. I think that should be taken as an opportunity to build positions or accumulate.
Naresh, let's get in your first trade.
So looking out for IRCTC, which broke out in the last 2 days, if it sees a closer to 980, 990, would be a buy in the day.
Okay. Hello.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.